subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates on Life of Glory and Guts.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind everybody, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, everyone. So we are live on the official page of How to Crack SSB. Let the people should join in. People are joining in. All right, Jai Hind, everyone. So how's the Josh, everyone? I'm just waiting for. Please type in into the comment box. How's the Josh? Today is the very, very important episode and very, I would say, episode very insightful for all the future Indian Armed Forces officer, because this will going to give you a different sight all about that how Kargil heroes are the real inspiration in terms of the kind of odds they actually faced. They were young officers of 19, 20, 21-year old, but still the kind of valor they have showcased, that's something that was, they made impossible, I am possible. So today's episode is very important for each and every aspirant who somehow aspires to go for Indian Armed Forces, and also the ones who are not even planning. I would suggest them have a true spirit of being an Indian, because this is something which will really help you to see as a youngster that what kind of a courage you need to keep in your life in order to have a very commanding conduct and a leadership conduct of your life. So sir, few of the people are joining with us. Let them few of join and then we'll begin. I request each one of you are there. Please share your in the comment box. I would like to personally call out the names of all those who are sitting with complete Josh. How's the Josh? I just want to know. Let me call off the names who are connected live with us right now. Let me call off the name. Sir, I am calling the name of the ones who are joined with us and then we'll begin before we finally go forward. So with your due permission, sir, I would like to call off their name. Sir, I am just I would just personally call off the name of the people who are joined with us. I can't see the comments. Let me just go forward and let me pull up the comments of the ones who joined with us.
Are we joined by adequate numbers?
Yes, sir. People are joining in, and I just want to hear from everyone. How's the Josh? Today's episode is for all the youngsters. Let me see the Josh here before we start up today's session. I can't see that Josh. Everyone, please write in the comment box. I would personally like to I'll personally like to call out the names of all the aspirants and all the youngsters who are sitting on today's live. And I would also request you, let this wave of Kargil heroes reverberate in the atmosphere, because this is the month till July. This is the month of Kargil, a very, very important day in the Indian history, which has created a legendary history of India, the legendary history of Indian Armed Forces, the legendary history of Indian Army, the kind of valor they showcased. So I would request each one of you that please share this live as much as possible so that everyone should become a part of it. And we are officially now going to commence today's show. All right, sir. So once again, sir, sir, Jai Hind to you.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Bharat Mata, Namaskar.
Jai Hind, sir, Jai Hind. So, sir, today's episode is something very special in the sense, I wanted to keep it in a different way little bit, because stories are great way to always inspire people. So हमारे टाइम में वो हमारी दादी माँ कहानियां सुनाया करती थी ना, जो हमारे को अंदर वो जोश भर देता था. But today I thought of let's do it in another way. today I would want from your side, and all the viewers, all the aspirants would like to listen from your side, specifically the at various level, the kind of odd situation faced by the young officers who are just, I would say, very fresh. Still, they took the challenge so gracefully, and they did it so well that is absolutely next to impossible. So taking that as an inspiration, I would certainly request you that today we have to throw some limelight on that how this will become as a learning platform for all the young aspirants and for all the youngsters who are aspiring to get into the Indian Armed Forces, that what kind of a mindset is required. What was that leadership which took them and which enabled them to do this thing. So that's what we want from your side, sir, based upon the Kargil heroes, Kargil war. And once again, this episode is dedicated in the honor of all those Kargil heroes. So before we begin this episode, a great salute to all the Kargil heroes who have given their lives for this nation. Over to you, sir.
सबसे पहले, you rightly said, sir, मेरा कारगिल वार हीरोज को नमन, परमात्मा उनकी रूह को शांति दे। ये वो हीरो हैं जिन्होंने कारगिल वार अपने खून से लिखी है। You know, Kargil is not a normal war. It's not a normal warfare.
Right.
Though it's a special, it's one of the most difficult operation ever fought on those height of 16, 17, 18,000. But it is an epic. It's an epic. It's like a Saragari. It's an epic.
Oh, correct, sir.
You know where I take you back 21 years. 21 साल पहले मैं आपको ले जाता हूँ. You all must have seen the train. A few of you may have visited that particular place. I take you back in the month of June. Then you find the visibility is very poor.
Right.
The temperature is -15, -20. The wind velocity is so much that you could be drifted.
Absolutely.
Enemy is sitting on the heights.
Right.
On so much dominating heights, if they start rolling the stones, by the time it's land up on the road, it may be bringing at least one big truckload of stones along with us.
Absolutely.
Is a small stone thrown from there with the velocity which lands up there, create a dent even in stones. That is the environment, right? And then you have got restrictions, sir. You have a restriction that you cannot cross the LOC. You cannot go behind the enemy, neutralize it, and carry out an attack from the rear.
Right.
The targets are so small that you cannot have more than 4 to 5 people standing on the ridge line. And if you slip, you get into a gorge. You can't be retrieved. Right? You are on a Nikoli, ऐसी नोकदार पहाड़ी है कि आपका पाँव slip हो जाए, you don't know where you would land up. Particularly around Tiger Hill, Tooling, 0.5060, 0.4560.
Right.
जिसको बोलते हैं ना, ऊपर देखो तो गर्दन टूटती है. You visited yourself. Few of us must have visited those areas. Now, enemy sitting over there, total dominating our area, our assembly area from where we are to launch an attack. Our forming a place. In fact, there's no forming a place if you ask me. वो 4 बंदे तो उधर खड़े नहीं हो सकते, तो फार्मा प्लेस क्या बनेगा? यहाँ से अपने अटैक करना है.
ठीक बात, बिल्कुल.
You can't carry your own weight. How you will be carrying out infantry people, carrying out your weapons, your light machine guns, or you would be carrying your rocket launcher with a proper weight.
That shows,
sir,
you are totally opposite.
Sir, when you talk about that thing, your heart comes to your mouth. How the things have been fought there. But it was a task. It was task which was assigned to the young officers.
Absolutely.
The battle has been fought on a section level.
Right.
10 बंदों के ऊपर,
जी.
20 और 30 बंदों के ऊपर, या कंपनी लेवल के ऊपर.
जी.
Then by the leading scouts, leading men, that has been the scope of the battle.
Right.
Right? You got no deployment. आप धावा तो कर ही नहीं सकते हो. You got no place. Even if 5 people can't put in a stretch. ऐसे हाथ extend करो तो you land up in a ridge. You may slip down.
Space is done. There is no space.
And sir, आपके सामने दिख रही है मौत, right? And you are trying to defy it.
जी.
वो कैप्टन पांडे बोलता है, अरे मुझे टास्क दिया है तोलन के ऊपर जाने का 0.4506 के ऊपर.
जी.
मौत मुझे कैसे छू सकती है? कहता मौत को बोलूंगा रुक जा, जब तक मैं ऊपर जो बैठे हुए हैं उनको देरता नहीं हूं ना. And that's what actually has taken place, sir.
Right, sir.
वो
Absolutely.
बतरा बोलता है दिल मांगे मोर, अभी तो मैं halfway through, give me a chance, I will go up to मुजफ्फराबाद.
Absolutely.
और यादव क्या बोलता है कि यंग जवान
Correct.
कहता है ओ यार जीना तो एक बार है, मरना है तो देश के लिए.
Correct.
कहता अगर मुझे टास्क को पूरा करते हुए मेरी जान चली जाएगी. What does Sanjay Kumar, youngster, a total hardly 19 years old,
Right.
कहता है अभी तो दाहिने हाथ में गन है, चल रही है, क्या हुआ कि मेरे पेट में 12 गोली है. He said my hand is still working. I cannot, sir. मैं एक्सप्लेन ही नहीं कर सकता हूं कि किस मिट्टी के बने हुए हैं.
जी.
वो ये भारत माता के जो जवान हैं ये किस मिट्टी के बने हुए हैं. I don't know what is in their blood.
Sir, it's
वो इनके दिमाग में वो जो कसम लेते हैं ना IMA में कि मैं देश के लिए जीऊंगा, देश के लिए मरूंगा. यह जवान बोलता है कि भारत माता का सत्कार मेरे दिल में सबसे, बाकी बात में बात है, मेरा पर्सनल कंफर्ट तो है नहीं.
correct.
Now I take you back. Tiger Hill,
जी.
one of the most difficult feature, a strategic feature, which had a complete domination on the road, which in relation to the other objectives were very, very good. 18 Grenadiers one side, 8 Sikhs on the other side. They have engulfed the whole area. So they were crawling by inch,
Right.
because there was no deployment. You cannot fire 2 weapons in a straight line.
Correct.
There's no place. Log rasse se, Yadav has reached on the top with the help of a rope.
Mm-hmm.
Who got finally Paramveer Chakra. See the thing.
Uh-huh.
He had known that there's a man firing on the top, right on his head.
Correct.
एक हाथ से वो लटका हुआ, दूसरे हाथ से उसकी राइफल खींचता है और पलटा के मारता है. वो ग्रेनेड की इतना डिस्टेंस में है कि जब उन्होंने ग्रेनेड फेंका ना
जी.
दुश्मन की LMG के उसके कोटपुर का जो बड़ा कोट है उसमें ग्रेनेड डाला. कैन यू बीट इट? हैव यू एवर हर्ड ऑफ दैट?
पकड़ के उसी के अंदर डाला.
वो उसके कोटपुर में फेंका. उसका कोटपुर का दुश्मन के सिपाही का कोटपुर का कमांडर का खुला होता उसमें चला गया. He has blown off completely and few shelling of the grenade has also hit यादव. कहता कोई नहीं, इसके तो चीथड़े उठ गए, मेरा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं थोड़ा सा जख्मी भी हो गया हूं. Sir, you are Major Tomar is on the assault line. Right? He is injured, but he's moving.
Correct.
क्या चीज है? What are the things which makes you to move? I don't know. It's on the Indian Army, so nowhere you are seen in the world. You know it. Your death is calling you. You are defying your death. You are walking into trap of a death. What is that power? What has been those qualities which have been ingrained in you?
Right.
What are those battalions वॉर क्राइस, वो बटालियन का क्या रैपट है?
करेक्ट।
वो जो बोलता है निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करूं, जय बजरंग बली, व्हाट इज दैट? भारत माता की जय,
जी
काली माता की जय।
जी।
I don't know, the moment they say the war cry,
वॉर
वो छोटे छोटे बंदों में ताकत भर जाती है कि उनके सामने कोई 7 फीट वाला भी दुश्मन खड़ा हो ना, the enemy will start shitting in his pants. It's actually happened.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
They
करेक्ट।
never expected, sir. At Tolling, they never expected कि ये हिंदुस्तानी इधर से चढ़ जाएंगे. They never could. Nobody could ever. Where you got a gradient of 112, 1 फुट नीचे 12 फुट ऊंचा है, देखो कितनी रेशो बनेगी. Again you are climbing with the bayonets, with your nails 4x4, you're climbing up.
Right.
And one side you're holding it up, the other side you're throwing this.
And that too, it was a standing climbing, sir, if I'm not wrong.
सर आप अंदाजा लगाइए, आप रोप क्लाइंबिंग किया ना उधर आके कमांडो कैंप में,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल किया
तो
सर।
आपके ऊपर एक बंदा चीटी लेके भी बैठा हो, you to climb and then fire on that. It is something great. This is something great. That's why I say tactical or strategical. I am trying to cover that traits, that qualities, whether they were officers or Jawan or the NCO. What are those qualities, right?
Right.
Which made them to जिन्होंने अपनी मौत को ललकारा, right?
Do you have it in you, sir? We sum it up as, do you have it in you?
Absolutely, sir. I really, how could I? मेरे पास तो लफाज ही नहीं है. हाँ, इन गाथों में एक एक की गाथा डिस्कस करो ना, तो उसमें कुछ जनरल बातें निकलती हैं. One is that
Correct.
patriotism. फिर वो क्या बोलता है? नाम, नमक और निशान.
Correct.
नाम है 8 Grenadiers, 2nd Raj Rifle
Right.
और अदर बटालियंस. वो आ गया नाम.
Correct.
नमक, देश का नमक खाया है.
Right.
अरे
Integrity.
अगर जान निशावर हो जाती तो क्या है?
Correct.
निशान क्या है? कैप्टन बत्रा जी बोलते हैं, अरे भाई उस पहाड़ी के ऊपर झंडा चढ़ाऊंगा, नहीं तो इस तिरंगे में लिपट कर आऊंगा.
सर वो जेडी गल कहते हो ना, मैं I listen to him every time. He says, he never do this. When before going for the mission, I would just like to take this opportunity to say these words. Before going to the mission, he was already aware of the fact that he is going in the death mouth. Still what he says with such a clarity and confidence, he says, या तो मैं झंडा लहरा के आऊंगा या उसी झंडे में लिपटा चलाऊंगा, मगर आऊंगा जरूर. The best part is he is giving this commitment back to his people that I will definitely going to come back, sir.
Sir, you rightly said. The personal dynamic, the personal trait of your determination,
जी.
your courage, and देश के लिए मर मिटने की जो भावना है ना,
जी.
that is the quality. Sir, that is the quality. Comradeship. नहीं तो कोई बोलता जैसे पाकिस्तान आर्मी वाले जब इन्होंने अटैक किया तीनों दिशा से टाइगर हिल के ऊपर, तो उनके अफसर पीछे भागे जा रहा है.
जी.
उसको भागकर पकड़ा गया, मारा गया. और तू किधर जा रहा है? उसके अफसर उसके जवान बोलते हैं, यार ये तो हमें फंसाकर भाग रहे हैं.
जी.
Now see the difference.
Correct.
Sir, see the difference. Here, your own jawan, your own officers fixing the bayonet.
जी.
एक हाथ से ग्रेनेड फेंक रहे हैं, एक हाथ से गोली चला रहे हैं. They are leading from the front. सर पीछे वाली कोई बात नहीं है.
जी.
I've been always telling you ना, इंडियन के आर्मी ऑफिसर में ये एक अलग क्वालिटी है.
बिल्कुल
वो
ठीक।
बोलता है जब तक मैं खुद काम करके मुझे तसल्ली नहीं होती ना, उस टाइम नहीं जाऊंगा। अरे कल की वीर गाथा की 15-16 नाइट की बात कर लो,
जी।
हिस्ट्री रिपीट्स। कर्नल बाबू,
Right.
he himself is going.
Right.
In normal case, he should have sent someone, a junior officer there.
Correct. Correct.
और एक कमांडर प्लेटून कहता नहीं यार, मैं कमांडिंग ऑफिसर हूं, मुझे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मिली है टू इंश्योर द सेंसिटी ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर्स मेंटेन।
Absolutely.
भारत माता की जमीन सर जमीन के ऊपर कोई पाँव न रख सके। That's what, it's another epic, it's not a war,
Correct.
it's an epic.
Right.
ये हिंदुस्तान की फौज इसी तरह से हिस्ट्री लिखती आई।
Sir,
That's what,
I would like to ask you one thing, because right now when the viewers, the young aspirants are listening to us, if I ask you, as we are talking about, as you rightly said, that everyone, they had their own flavor, their own strike, their own level to go forward and achieve it, but they had something in common which was driving them. So
absolutely sir.
so if technically I have to ask you, what is that one primary personality trait or a faculty? Only one primary trait, one primary personality trait or a faculty which you would say is required at a very foundation level if anyone aspires to become the future officer of Indian Armed Forces? What is that one?
Sir, you rightly said, sir. There are lot many factors, as you told me. It is a final your dedication. You are a dedicated, sir.
Great.
Like you are dedicated for your job. You wanted more and more people should get trained under your flag. You wanted to help those things. It's your dedication. नहीं तो यार 8 बजे 8:30 बजे counterpart of your must be relaxing after booze and planning to sleep. Here you are sitting, we are sitting over here. What is that thing? Dedication. वो कहता है मैं ये टास्क पूरा करूंगा, nothing else, sir.
Right.
Nothing else. And dedication के साथ sir, it's your determination. And determination based on what? The training you got,
Right.
the baptism in which you have been trained, your nurturing, your monitoring.
Right.
That is the determination comes from there.
Very, sir, what you rightly said, I would say very well said by Brigadier G.J. Singh. He says that one of the very foundation which is required and is a common thing in every soldier, every officer, irrespective which regiment, which forces they serve in, is dedication. And what you said, sir, this is so true, I can't tell you, because with dedication only you form your mission and vision. With dedication only you train yourself. With dedication only you apply your intelligence. With dedication only you defeat yourself. Even if I have to say, a mother who upbrings a child, the upbringing of a child is all about the dedication of a mother.
Absolutely.
Without that, so I can reverberate with your this statement. So though it is so simple, dedication is a very common thing, and I believe everyone has heard it. But here I would definitely, why I am really getting connected with what he rightly said, because I asked him one thing which he says is the foundation, but I am able to reverberate with your words, sir, because dedication can make you do anything and everything.
You said it, sir. Right? An excellent example you have given how the mother is bringing up. If she is dedicated, तो फिर तो बच्चा आप जैसा निकलेगा, नहीं तो वो जवान तो किसी के खीसे काटेगा. No, I'm giving you live example. I'm not exaggerating. नहीं तो वो जवान कहीं बैठ के नशा पत्ता जो पंजाबी में बोलते वो खा रहा होगा, किसी की जेब काट रहा होगा, किसी के कार की स्टिपनी चोरी कर रहा होगा. You know, the way you nurture,
correct,
like a Mali, with dedication, what comes? Determination.
Right.
If you are dedicated, determination will follow, sir.
Correct.
अरे मैंने काम किया है, मेरे में डिटर्मिनेशन तभी आएगा.
Right.
अगर मैंने 24 घंटे में 20 घंटे सो के खा के निकाल दिए तो 4 घंटे में डेडिकेशन कहां से आएगा? You are not known your job.
Right.
The other chain, you know, it's a chain reaction. Comes the decisiveness, decision making. ले लिया यार. पांडे ने बोल दिया, कैप्टन पांडे, लेट कैप्टन पांडे, परमवीर चक्रा said कि मैं ठोकूंगा इनको. Definitely, sir. Determination and decisiveness. When you combine this, when you're dedicated for what? You're dedicated for the cause.
Correct.
Who has given you cause? Your superiors.
Right.
For what? To defend your motherland. To ensure कि कोई भी गैर इंसान, कोई भी दुश्मन का नुमाइंदा भारत माता की सरजमीन में पांव न रख पाए. काट दो उसको. It leads to patriotism.
Absolutely, sir.
These are, sir, interrelated. You cannot. These are dovetailed in a system. और नखून के साथ मांस होता है ना, ये देखो, अगर if you wanted to separate तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
Correct.
So these are the things. Chuk sir, and you've seen yourself. You are interacting with so many officers. आपने कितनी गाथा पढ़ी है? आप किस तरीके से how you are bringing the OLQ in the day-to-day functioning. The net result is the same, sir.
Correct, sir. I totally agree. That's what I said. I was able to reverberate with your such a simple learning, which you rightly said about dedication, because dedication is actually the root for everything that we are doing. It is actually the feeder for everything that you want to do. Might be training, might be bringing your determination, might be enhancing your OLQs, might be you want to do anything and everything. That's what I said. Anything and everything, it is the very foundation.
सर नई एपिसोड, सॉरी टेकिंग ए लीड फ्रॉम दिस, नई एपिसोड में देखा आपने कमांडिंग ऑफिसर सब गए, कमांडिंग ऑफिसर के ऊपर जब उन्होंने अटैक किया तो देखा कि भाई कमांडिंग ऑफिसर जो हैं शहीद हो गए हैं. देन दे सेड कि ओके लेट्स डू समथिंग. हमारा कमांडिंग ऑफिसर शहीद हो गया है, इनका भी तो कोई बड़ी मछली पकड़ कर लाए.
Correct.
They have gone out of the way to pick up their commanding officer and brought back.
Right, sir. Right.
Oh, they tested the blood. They said yes. हमारा तो शहीद हो गया है लड़ते हुए, तुम किधर जा रहा है? अपने सटार उतार का जो खड़ा हुआ था, where the hell you are going?
Correct, sir.
It's a different thing, sir. Sir, right. लड़ाई में फौजी लॉजिक नहीं देखता है.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं सर.
वो जब बैनट लगा होता है ना, उसको तो एक ही दिखता है कि भाई मुझे टास्क दिया है, मैंने किस तरीके से कंप्लीट करना है. चौक साहब, that is the moral of the story.
Absolutely, sir.
कारगिल is an epic. इतने बंदे शहीद हुए हैं देश के लिए, one common cause. Task assigned will be carried out.
Correct.
वो
sir.
पूछते हैं ना कोई शक,
जी.
तो सभी जवान जो ब्रीफिंग सुनते हैं ना सर, 100, 200, 400, 500, 1000, वो कमांडिंग ऑफिसर का बोलता है, श्रीमान हमें कोई शक नहीं है, आपको हमारे बारे में कोई शक नहीं होना चाहिए. See, simple thing you are exchanging with your superiors.
जी.
That's the way.
Right.
That's what we are being taught in defense forces. एक सुन लीजिए, कभी भी जब आपको टास्क मिलता है ना, ये लोग certain people से बहादुरी मिली है. No. We are not fighting any बहादुरी, sir. There's no question of who's going to get a Paramachika, who could Veer Chakra, MVC, and whatever you call it. No. You only fight for 3 things: नाम, नमक and निशान.
क्या बात है सर. आपने आज इतनी I'm summing up and I'm taking 3 learnings, beautiful learnings of Brigadier G.J. Singh he has given, keeping Kargil as a foundation. Number 1, he says every Fauji, every single person is doing everything for 3 things: Naam, Namak, Nishan. क्या बात है. दूसरी चीज, the very foundation for doing everything and anything, be it ever a soldier, officer, anyone, one thing which can enable you to do anything is the dedication. And the third thing, sir, which you have said it, I would say you have said a marvelous thing. You today sitting at this point of time in year 2020, we are sitting on 27th June 2020, and Brigadier GJ Singh has announced and he has declared Kargil war as an epic, which means that tomorrow the new India that would going to be there, when this particular time will become the ancient India for the newcomers, and we will be changed and swiped away, the Kargil will always be recognized as an epic. You have named it, sir. This has really touched me. What you have the name, you have called Kargil as an epic, sir. Really.
Absolutely, sir. It is an epic, sir.
You have done it great, sir. Superb, sir. Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. It was a very, I would say, I can't share these things in words, because when it comes to Kargil, everything of Kargil cannot be shared in words, because Kargil was a living courage. So we talk about courage. People define what is courage. This is called as courage. I say, someone says, who's a courage? So the best answer is, take the name of those people, those are courage. Take the name of courage. Captain Vikram Batra, who's a courage? They are the adjectives defining courage, I would say.
Raw courage, sir. कोई definition ही नहीं है. कहाँ आप इंसिडेंट बता सकते हो कि मेरे ऊपर मशीन गन का फायर आ रहा है from a distance of 8 meters, 10 meters, or maybe lesser than that, छाती सामने है, and you are charging on him.
Right.
You are charging him. You are trying to snatch his gun. You are trying to snatch his barrel, throw him down.
Right.
And occupy. I mean, पता नहीं है क्या चीज है वो.
This also gives me a very strong point of view. The moment you have touched this point of view have just stuck up my mind right away. I would like to keep it with all the people. We are right now in the recent times when all this pandemic was going on. A lot of lives have gone due to Corona, and there has been a very big havoc due to Corona. But certainly, I am just thinking, it's a very raw question. A person suffering from Corona and a person having 16 bullets in his stomach, arms, and thigh. I am just asking you, and I'm asking everyone, if every one of you can actually give your views in the comment, what do you think out of these two persons, which should create a big issue, or who should die first? Sir, irrespective.
Food for thought. और सुनो सर, जिसके शरीर में 16 गोलियां ना, यादव बोलता है, कहता है ये तो छोटी-छोटी गोली है, ये मैं नहीं, no, that can't touch me. And she is a hale and hearty. Last time I happened to meet him, मैंने कहा, कहता सर किसी free time में बात करेंगे. I mean, she at this age only, and I interacted with the Kargil heroes, sir. उनमें उतना ही जोश है. Age has not been able to catch them, I tell you. कहते हैं कभी भी बंदूक पड़ा दे चढ़ जाएंगे. I mean, this is the way, yeah. This is the way we've been trained. This is the way the veterans still carrying love, affection, and izzat.
I totally agree.
Izzat for the nation, nothing else.
Totally agree, sir. Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. It was a wonderful talk today, and I believe
I enjoyed every bit, sir.
Absolutely.
And it's a pleasure to interact with you and the aspirants. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मुझे वो दिन याद आ जाते हैं. You know, you go back how many years back? 21 years back, and the memories are still fresh. Absolutely. And you see the faces of the steel rock. Steel rock. कोई शिकन ही नहीं उनके ऊपर. कमाल आ गया. God bless them.
We are always.
God bless all those souls who led their life for the cause of a nation, and wonderful. Thank you very much, you.
We are
Thank
always
you very much, all the listeners.
absolutely, sir. We are
God bless you.
sir. We
Stay
are
fit, stay healthy. Do constructive thing for the nation. Be a very constructive member of the society. Right? We have to support the cause of the nation. Whether you are in the forces or you are a civilian, you can do a lot.
absolutely, sir. We are always honored to see you with us and to see you and to seek your blessings and to seek such a real-time experience of a living legend like you who's sitting in front of us. And we are always honored to see you. Thank you so much, sir, for giving today's coming with that site, नाम नमक निशान. ये नाम नमक निशान आपने मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा छोड़ा है कि नाम नमक और निशान, 3 N's. He has given 3 N's. नाम नमक निशान. Sir, I really.
सर ये बड़े बड़े जो हमारे सीनियर से कमांडो, उनका तजर्बा है जिंदगी का. मेरे से भी जो सीनियर थे, हमारे सीनियर थे, कमांडिंग ऑफिसर्स, सीनियर ऑफिसर, जनरल, बिल्कुल बोलते थे, सिंपल बोलते थे.
Correct, sir.
Whenever we were to go for any task, whenever there was some briefing, whenever they happened to address their command, they always said, "के देख लो भाई, you got a very limited choice."
Right.
एक तरफ हिंदुस्तान का झंडा रख लेते थे, निशान यूनिट का लगा लिया,
जी.
और you're seeing yourself.
Correct, sir. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you.
God
for
bless you.
joining, and it was
And
wonderful talking to you once again.
जय हिंद till we meet next.
Right, sir. Right.
भारत माता की जय. जिंदे रहो, तगड़े रहो. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय भारत माता. Thank you.